Welcome to Charged Up. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of the Cybertruck's jack mode. For those who aren't familiar, jack mode is a feature designed to help you lift the vehicle for tire changes or maintenance, providing a safe and controlled experience. Imagine you're out in the wilderness and you get a flat tire. The last thing you want is to struggle with a heavy vehicle. With jack mode, the Cybertruck automatically lowers itself to the ground to ensure stability while you work. It's a perfect blend of technology and practicality, showcasing Tesla's commitment to user-friendly design. How does it work? Simply engage the mode through the touchscreen interface, and the Cybertruck will guide you through the process. It's all about making life easier, whether you're a weekend warrior or just someone who appreciates efficiency. As we move into a future where electric vehicles dominate, features like jack mode redefine convenience and safety. Tesla continues to push the envelope on what we expect from vehicles, blending innovation with everyday usability. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI.